How's it going, guys? Dallas here. I messed up. I messed up. As you guys know, I had changed my lift about a few months ago, got some other suspension changed over the course of a year. And we got a new grill a couple years ago, and a lot of you guys may not even know, but what do people like me do with old parts? A normal person would just have the shop that they take their truck to pretty much dispose of their parts, or if you do it yourself, you either get rid of it somehow. And I'm running into the issue right now. I got stock parts and old aftermarket parts pretty much piled up in my garage. Take a look at this. Boom. And I've been trying to sell the majority of these parts for a while now. And I've had my grill up for sale for like maybe 2 years. It's just a basic SR5 grill. There's no TRD badging on it. And I have a dilemma right now. I have a bunch of these parts that's just been sitting here in the corner of my garage for a long time. And some other parts that were up in my attic for a while, like this part. If you guys know exactly what this is, this doesn't even belong on the Tundra. It used to belong on my 2022 Off-Road Premium 4Runner that I had 2.5 years ago. And it's a Valance for off-road premiums because I had swapped it out for a black one. And now I have all these random parts for old trucks. And I need to get rid of them quick. I posted my lift that was on the Tundra for an okay amount. And I'll be honest, the lift was really cheap. If you buy it brand new, it's fairly cheap compared to others. I think this retails maybe $1,400 to $1,800, give or take, depending where you buy them from. I had listed it for $700, dropped it down to $500, left it there, $400, $300, $200. Now I'm at $100. I've even told people, take it from me. You can have it for free. And that's my dilemma. People ask for it, and I say, here, take it. When can you meet? And then all of a sudden, we get ghosted. I think maybe they think that why would you give a lift for free? Well, I need to give the lift for free because I need it out of my garage. It is making my garage even more cluttered than what it already is. So I guess the point of this video is, I think I'm going to throw it away. There's lots of OEM parts that are in decent condition and nobody wants it for free. Why is that? I have no clue. I've called these scrap yards near me. No one answers. I guess nobody wants to work. I've called a couple times, different days. And I don't want to haul it. I don't want to haul all of it and then they don't take it. So I'm going to have to figure that out. Or do I just toss it and throw it in the dumpster? Because that's pretty much what my only option is. I literally have this giant sway bar, rear sway bar that I deleted from my truck last November. It was sitting in my attic. Now I have it down here because I want to get rid of it and nobody wants it. So that is my frustration of having all these random parts. What would you guys do? List your guys' thoughts down in the comments on what you guys would do with all of these parts. And like I said, I even have it posted for free out there on Facebook, all these other forums. Nobody wants it. I even have my wheels and tires on there. So that one, you know, I'm not going to give that away for free. So, but the suspension, these random parts that people could use, I'm trying to give away for free and nobody wants it. Maybe they think it's fake. Maybe they don't want a 6-inch lift. And maybe they just don't want to put a lift in general on their truck. I don't know. I have no clue. But if I saw this and I was looking for a lift, I would take it because it's free. Okay, so I'm just going on a tangent because I'm a little frustrated. Why doesn't anybody want free parts, free truck parts? Even if you could sell it off, I don't care. I just need it gone from my garage. But I will probably just do a take of exactly what I have. Okay, so we're going to start with just random parts. I have the rear suspension from our lift that we had in our truck. This is a super lift. Oh, it works. There's nothing wrong with it. We got that. We got this giant rear block for your bump stops in the rear. We got this brand new 2023 grill. Again, it doesn't have the TRD badging right here, but it's new. No issues. I replaced it with the Heritage grill within a month or half a month of owning the truck. And then again, we have our rear sway bar. Look at that thing. We got our stock UCA upper control arm. We got 2 of them, of course. No issues with it. Oh, holy crap. We got our stock front suspension, of course, with this beefcake of a block right here. And again, I've done regular trails with this thing, had all that weight on our truck, and it's been good. It helped us. I mean, we've used it for about 28,000 miles, give or take. I believe when we took our truck off. We have the rear suspension coil. Again, this is a stock rear coil, and I do have upgraded ones that I haven't even taken out of the box. And then a random, I believe this is a front valance for the 22. Well, I had a 22 off-road premium, but if you have an off-road premium 4Runner that has those silver bumpers up front or the back, but this is just the front, that'll work on a 5th gen 4Runner. And then I have the spindles, but those are heavy as heck, and they're down here. And then I have, see if I can get this up for you. Whoa. Oh. Holy crap. Well, I got this Superlifts drop down bracket that goes in the front. And I've said it over and again. I said it over and over again previously, my other videos. I thought this was a welded on frame. It's not. It's actually bolted on. So you don't need any welds on it. It doesn't cut your frame at all. So it's a bolt-on kit. So I didn't know that because I couldn't really see everything down there. So it wasn't welded. It's just a bolt-on kit. So there's that, because I always thought it was a welded on kit. So I guess that makes it a lot easier. And then I do have these, where is it? Well, it's somewhere in these boxes, but I do have another pair of rear coils. It's upgraded from this. And those are brand new, still in the box. And yeah, some other stuff I got rid of. my OEM Tundra mats I got rid of for like 10 bucks. I don't know why everybody wanted those mats. It's had its day and everybody wanted them. So that's kind of, I asked them if they wanted any of these parts and they all said no. So I don't even know. But that is my dilemma. That is what I have. And yeah, I just wanted to make this video to kind of vent to you guys because I think I'm just going to throw away all these parts because I don't need it. I don't want it. I try to sell it, try to give it away for free, and nobody wants to take it. So that is my problem. And thank you guys for coming and watching my TED Talk on exactly what I have and why is it taking all this space in my garage. And I'm tired of looking at it. And if you guys message me and I have it still, and that must be a problem because that means I'm holding on to them for some reason. But I want to get rid of them as fast as I can because I need it gone from my garage. So thank you guys for watching. I definitely appreciate it and appreciate the support. See you guys later.